Looking for an upgrade to one of your favorite line brand yarns? Hometown Bonus Bundle is the same fantastic, super bulky yarn in a ball with twice the yardage. Let's get into it. Hometown is a classic line brand yarn that knitters and crocheters love because it's easy to care for and comes in a variety of colors and prints. It's soft and it works up quickly for great chunky projects. It's 100% acrylic, which means it has a bit of a shine, and you can machine wash and dry projects that you make with Hometown. This yarn comes in great colors, all named after American cities. The solid colors are some of my favorites because there are fantastic saturated hues, as well as heathered colors that I really love, like this heathered gray and this tweed. Now you can get Hometown in a bonus bundle with double the yardage. There are 162 yards in each ball of solids and 129 yards in the multicolors and tweeds. That means this yarn is great for large projects like sweaters and blankets, and best of all, you'll have fewer ends to weave in. If you've worked with Hometown before, you'll know how gorgeous these projects turn out. If not, stick around because I'm going to work up some swatches made with Hometown Bonus Bundle. Hometown is such a great super bulky yarn. This single crochet swatch was made on the recommended hook size, and this was knit in stockinette stitch on the recommended needle. There's so much to love about this yarn. It's so soft, almost silky, and squishy too. I really love the shine, and I had such a good time crocheting with this. It works up so quickly. I made a hat in about 2 hours with this yarn. The knit stitches look great too. It's such a good yarn to reach for when you're making winter projects. Hometown Bonus Bundle is a great choice for projects where you need a nice basic yarn. And with so much yardage, you've got a lot of options for what you can make with just one ball. So if you're a fan of Hometown and you want to get even more of this awesome yarn, grab a skein of Hometown Bonus Bundle. Happy stitching!